Hello everyone.
Hey Yoshi,
Hi. How are you?
very good, thanks mate. How you doing?
Hmm? So let's get started. I share my screen. So yeah, first of all, just a reminder that this meeting is being recorded and posted to LFX and YouTube shortly after, and your participation in these meetings is an agreement to abide by the Cloud Native Security Code of Conduct, which can be found in the report. And I need at least one person to volunteer as scribe to ensure that all actions and primary content discussed are recorded in written notes and can be referred to later. Who is willing?
I can take it as a scribe.
Okay, thank you very much. For existing members and working group reps, please remember to include your organization, company along with the working group you are involved with and the update. Just please. Okay, so the first topic is already done, the read meeting intro. And the second one is new member intros, but there is no new members. So the next one is community demo, and today maybe my turn. No, maybe the Kyohei's turn. Can you provide community demo today?
Yes, I can. But what about the last time's committee demo? Did anyone sign?
No problem. I reschedule here. So yeah, if you already prepare something, I'd like you to provide community demo.
Okay, so I do
Hmm?
this time.
Okay, so I stop my screen.
Mhm. I share my screen and also I share the URL. This maybe this one. Can you see my screen?
I can see your screen.
Okay, thank you. So I start my presentation. Today I want to talk about the Kubernetes CTF. The CTF is maybe you know, but CTF is a competitive event where participants solve challenges or exploit vulnerabilities in a simulated environment to find hidden flags. Um, various CTF events are held almost weekly in the world. And today I want to focus on the Kubernetes CTF. And I believe the Kubernetes is quite suitable as CTF materials. Kubernetes offers rich problem patterns. Flags can be embedded in various places like resource metadata, secrets, logs, and more. And complex functionality lends itself to easy misconfiguration. So it's good. It's also good for a CTF. And it provides a simple environment set up through code. Kubernetes has excellent resilience, reproducibility, and scalability. So it's easy to offer the challenges to the environment. And the white-box challenge is possible by providing ISC source code. And some of CTF or web is also that kind of challenge. And it has extensible systems. It's also good for CTF too. You can create advanced challenges by using various OSs. And I saw some CTF challenges using OSs like Flaxcd or Velo, the backup tool. Then it is a list of the recent CTF held in the past 2-3 years. KubeCon hosts them most often, but DIFCon and other events has also featured them. Unfortunately, most of these are no longer active, so we can't play them. But with CTF can be played anytime. So if you are interested in, you can try them. But it's I think it's very difficult, even Kubernetes a lot. But it's interesting. I think it's interesting. And I found the write-up is helpful. This website. I don't know who he is, but he tries some Kubernetes CTF and write-up is here. Like this one. Like that. I've included some Kubernetes tips for CTF in this document, but I will skip them here for now, for time. Yeah, there are some useful kube control command. And last, I'll create some Kubernetes CTF challenge myself. So if you are interested in, please try them. This is the repository. And this is the English version. Yeah, I create 3 challenges. And you can play them on the playground services like the QR Coder. You can use it free. So it's easy to start the CTF or some like that. And then I'll show you a short demo. just clone the repository and run this command. It's finished deployment. And the kubecon file is created. Yeah, this one, and you can use it. Then you have the very few permission to access this cluster. And then you can try to find the hidden flag. Like that. So that's all for my presentation. Does anyone have question or some comment?
Thank you, Kyo. That's very activity, I think. And I have one question is the objective of this CTF is for how to say for challenger of CTF that is a skill up of their quantities the skill around the quantities or something. And what is the objective of the creator of the CTF? Maybe the some give the challenger to some idea or some thought about the security or spread some tools for which the creator create or something. What do you think about the objective of the creator of CTF?
Probably it's there's some objectives, but yeah, you said for me, I want the challengers to learn about Kubernetes and Kubernetes security, or the CTF is just fun. I think it's it's enough. So anyone play this and excited, so it's enough. But when I create the challenges, I search more about Kubernetes. Even we know about Kubernetes, there are many things we don't know yet about the. I never knew about the kube control auth command because because I don't use in my work like this. So we can find some Kubernetes tips and Kubernetes security tips we don't know yet. So yeah, it's useful to learn about Kubernetes and Kubernetes security. Yeah, does it answer? Does it give answer?
Okay, thank you very much. So yeah, Robert is his answer. Yeah, Do you have
Yeah,
any?
Kohei, great. It's really nice to see someone talking about CTFs other than me. For some context for you, a number of the CTFs that you've called out on there were built and run by Control Plane. And you'll have seen from Skywind's blog that he keeps calling out Control Plane as well. I work for Control Plane, so I have a lot of insight into these capture the flags. We've run them at events and conferences in Australia as well. So B-Sides in Canberra and Everything Open this year and the OWASP conference in New Zealand last year. So we try to get these out to as many people as possible. I've put in the open source simulator that we use as like the platform for running these, and there's some open source CTF scenarios in there as well that people can play. To Yoshi, to your point about what's the purpose, why do people write them? We write them with a view of giving people an understanding of common misconfigurations that we frequently see in Kubernetes clusters, and seeing the impact and the impact and what happens when clusters are misconfigured. So it's a great way of teaching people about security within Kubernetes in a fun, gamified way of doing it. And we run these as part of training courses that we offer, and I have a lot of fun. I wrote some scenarios for the OWASP conference to kind of make it more aligned with the OWASP Top 10, Kubernetes Top 10, which, by the way, if you haven't seen, is up for renewal and they're looking for feedback on. So I think getting your suggestions in, if you've got suggestions about what should be in the OWASP Top 10 Kubernetes risks, is a really important thing to do. But yes, we do it so that people can understand and learn what Kubernetes clusters could be, how they could be misconfigured, and what security implications there are in practice, rather than just reading about it in a blog article or a YouTube video.
Thank you, Robert. In your perspective, the challenges catch the flag with the control plane's product or something?
Well, Control Plane is a consultancy, so we provide training services and we provide consulting services for securing cloud native. One way for us to help teach people about securing cloud native is to give them the opportunity to do it. But also we have a lot of fun building these kind of objectives and scenarios to demonstrate things that we've found when we've been on site with clients. So if there's something that we've discovered that can be used to gain access or do something nefarious, then occasionally we'll create a scenario based on that, or we'll find news articles and exploits that have occurred in the wild that would make good learning for people. So we'll take real world situations and what we see when we do pen tests for clients as well, and bring them into the scenarios so that people can learn from it and learn how to protect from it.
I see. Yeah, I'm considering that this activity can be some initiative of the tag security. Do you have any idea? Yeah, if this is a very valuable, yeah, I think this is very valuable. But yeah, valuable for tag security. Yeah, this can be initiative for tag security. Yeah, if you're interested in.
Yeah, it seems interesting.
It's definitely an interesting subject, and I know it's been talked about at tag securities before, and I think the more people that are aware that there are these ways of learning, these ways of doing things, the better it is for the ecosystem. So that's why I put the link into the the platform that we use, the open source version of the platform that we use when we run them, because there's a great way to kind of build extra scenarios on top of that platform, just as it's really approachable to use Killer Coder as well and of other platforms as places.
I see. Robert, do you know who makes the CTF in KubeCon?
Control plane runs the CTF at KubeCon.
I see.
Yeah. And often some of the scenarios that get used will get reused in other conferences and things as well.
I see. Okay, so do you guys have any questions?
Kyohei, have you done any CTF competition? Have you participated in any of these?
Do you mean the city competition like the KubeCon Kuwait CTF or like that?
Yeah, yes. If you have any experience doing as a participant.
Uh, Actually, I've never tried the Kubernetes CTF, but some other kind of CTF I tried. They held in Japan.
Nice.
This time, my scenario is only need the kube control and Kubernetes resources, so it's easy to start. I think it's the beginner level. So it only needs few steps to get the flag.
The CTF of with is solved with the using the with product.
No, but it's we need more knowledge than Kubernetes, like the Linux or uh, penetration tests like that. So, so yeah, if we don't have experience of the other CTF or pen tests or like that, it's very difficult.
I see. Okay. So, any questions? Okay, so thank you, Kyohei, for your presentation.
Thank you so much.
So, I share my screen again. So, could you stop your screen?
I must stop, but where is the how to stop?
Be the upper.
I can't find anything on my screen.
Maybe.
Mhm.
In my case, the upper part of screen, we can stop sharing.
I found it. Is it okay?
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Share my screen. Yeah, thank you for your community demo, Kyohei. So, yeah, move to the next topic. Review other time zones, tax security meetings. Yeah, there are two American relation meetings from October. First, October 1st meeting, there is no community demo. And some TLC meeting updates, the sandbox will be processed to be running very smoothly. And there are some project update regarding security assessment, supply chain insight, and compliance. And regarding KubeCon activities, there will be a kiosk. Maybe this is KubeCon NA. And some pathways there by Marina, and yeah, some talk from Brown, and even and also this is maybe talk from Eddie. Yeah. Triage of current issue. Yeah, there are initiative about MCP, server authentication authorization standards white paper that is submitted by Satarupa. Yeah, and there are several members already gathered, and Satarupa is maybe being the project lead, and also the leadership is maybe John will be the representative, leadership representative, and this initiative will be start as a tax security and compliance initiative. Yeah, and I also very interested in this area, and also Tiago raised his hand. Yeah, that is the status of MCP server application and citations servers. And yeah, this is the next time community demo. This is regarding the qualitative security sub-project, the first assessment about the etcd component. And currently, we are working on a new self-assessment about etcd Kubernetes. This is some document about this. Yeah, this is also the MCP server authentication authorization standards. Current status is set up the duration will be the October to December, and the current situation is waiting the setup of post meeting. This should be done by John. So today's last American meeting, the debate was skipped, and TLC meeting planning KubeCon. Yeah, and tax security posted blog regarding KubeCon. So yeah, please see the blog. And there's project update regarding supply chain insights, security assessment, MCPO's white paper, and update this week. And interest in best practice for proceed as code or configuration as code. This is maybe some comments, instructional, I think. And maybe here. Yeah, this topic is regarding this thread. So if you're interested in, please refer and comment in this thread. Here, there's some presentation in the Open Source Finance Forum in New York. And that's all for the other times of security meeting. And POC meeting updates is following the previous American time zone meeting. And regarding project update, try to update the PVC. Regarding this IAM white paper initiative, yeah, we wait the TOC review a long time, but the Emily kindly update the situation of the TOC review, and yeah, they are very busy now, so yeah, we are waiting. Yeah, TOC review. Yeah, that is the current status of this, and maybe the next private TOC meeting, this IAM white paper project review can be the one topic of the private TOC meeting. So yeah, we hope some progress about the review. That is my project update, and any other project update from you guys? Nothing? Okay.
I've been following along the SBOM Everywhere best practices update. They're making progress on their white paper. They're still populating various different sections of it. And yeah, I think it's making good progress. There was a cool demo in the meeting the other week where we were looking at.
Is this the belong to some initiative?
Yeah, so it's the OpenSSF SBOM. Where's it's been mentioned in one of the other links as well. So the link's just below. Trying to find the link to it now.
While waiting that, I'd like to discuss about this MCP authentication authorization white paper. And currently in the MCP specification, there are sections regarding authorization. So I wonder what should be written in this white paper. Thiago, do you have any idea? If we convert with MCP and A2A, yeah, there's something we can write about, but regarding MCP only, yeah, there's very enough information in the authorization section of MCP specification. So I don't have any idea what we should write this white paper. Diego, do you have any idea?
I believe the specifications from the protocol itself are optional, but we can set some standards for this. Instead, right now, no authentication or authorization are implemented. By default, it's just optional. We can make set as recommendations.
Yes, recommendation.
Yeah, as a standard for, or at least it's better to have some security than none. So you can of course, based on the protocol itself that is already implemented, what are the recommendations inside the of 2.0 and how we can use that. I believe this is a good point to set as a white paper.
I see. Yeah, in my understanding, there are enough information in this NCP citation section. So, yeah, thank you for Tiago. So, thank you for link, Robot. See. Does this belong to any CF initiative?
Yeah, it's being
You
run
know?
by the Open SSF.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, is there any other update from you guys?
Now, the only other thing that I wanted to kind of call out again, I put in the chat there, the OWASP Kubernetes top 10 survey. I think it's really important for anyone practicing Kubernetes security or thinking about Kubernetes security to get involved in that. Because one of the things that I found with the previous top 10 is it wasn't, some of the top 10 items weren't very practical. So it's better to get more user kind of focus into that rather than the theoretical side of it.
Yeah, thank you, Tiago, to write here. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. So move to next topic, triage of current issues. Yeah, there's several issues from update last week, something. And this is a joint Kyberno joint security assessment. There are several time or passed from the last update. And Eddie asks, she can still volunteer the lead for this effort. Yeah, there is a current status, but this is from last week. So if there are no response, maybe this initiative will be closed. And this is MCP certification standards white paper. And this is Cloud Security Control Cutoff refresh, and this was opened 3 days ago. Yep, just opened, and maybe this group try to gather some members of this initiative. Yeah. Jen is one of the tech leads, so they are already project leader and leadership. So yeah, this initiative can be started. And yeah, this is a detailed test management white paper project. And regarding closed one, there are two issues, and one is the KCP security review, and this was closed because self-assessment was not prepared yet, so this issue was closed for now. And regarding this issue, maybe this was promoted using the old repository, old tag security repository, and this was merged something. Yeah, these several file changes. So this was completed, cross that completed. Yeah, that's all for IT issues. Yeah, and any other update regarding Kubernetes top 10? And any other update from you guys? Maybe no update, I think. Okay, so
I just want to bring one point here to
okay.
this document. In the beginning, we have the see good first issue tag, and a bit up, or if you go a little up, you should before the agenda.
I see.
Yeah, we have
Message
this link here, and we could add that because it's pointed to the old repo.
Yeah.
If we could point this to the new repo using the tag security and compliance.
I see.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, we have the template of this meeting agenda, so we should update
edit
this link,
this
I
one.
think. Yeah.
Yes.
So what should be the link? Maybe. Is there any label about that?
I believe it's a good first issue. Not sure if it exists still in this one. Yeah, maybe not.
There is no good first issue label, I think.
Yeah, maybe we can use help wanted.
I see. I see. Maybe here.
Not sure if this is the best way, but it's yeah.
Yeah, thank you for your information.
Okay.
Maybe. Okay.
Help you want maybe. Cool. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so do you have any other topic to discuss here? I think. Okay, so schedule next meetings coming to demo. Next meeting, I will provide some community demo regarding RFC 8414. And do you guys want to community demo after the next APAC meeting? And after the next meeting.
I'm happy to do a brief talk on Essential 8 on Kubernetes in a future meeting.
Okay,
Essential 8 is part of the ISM, and I'm mapping it for a cyber conference next week, so I can redeliver that.
Okay, so maybe the November 6th, I think. Is it a comfortable date for you, November 6th?
Yep. Yeah, it should be fine.
Okay, thank you very much.
So E8s on K8s.
I see. Is it okay? Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think that's all for today's meeting. Do you have any topics? Think? Okay, so I will finish this meeting. So thank you for attending this meeting and bye bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, everyone. Speak to you soon.
Yeah, so bye.